Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Today we're diving under the hood to talk about a critical engine component, the timing belt. It's a hidden hero, silently keeping your engine in perfect rhythm, but just like any part, it can wear out. So, how do you know when your timing belt is on its last legs? Let's jump in and explore the symptoms of a bad timing belt. Before we dive into the warning signs, let's understand what this belt does. The timing belt synchronizes the engine's valves with the pistons. Imagine a well-rehearsed orchestra, the valves opening and closing at precisely the right moment, allowing air and fuel in and exhaust out. The timing belt is the conductor, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Now, when the timing belt gets worn, stretched, or damaged, that perfect harmony goes out the window. Here are the telltale signs to watch out for. Ticking from the engine. This is a classic symptom. The worn belt rubbing against the pulleys can produce a repetitive ticking sound. It might be faint at first, but it will get louder as the problem worsens. Engine misfires. A failing timing belt throws off the timing of the valves and pistons. This disrupts the combustion process, causing the engine to misfire. You might feel a jerkiness or hesitation while accelerating, and the engine might run rough. Check engine light. This little light can be your knight in shining armor. A failing timing belt can trigger the check engine light, prompting you to get a diagnosis. Don't ignore this warning. Performance loss. That perfectly timed orchestra we mentioned. A faulty belt throws a wrench in the works. The engine might feel sluggish, lack power, and struggle to maintain speed. Engine won't start. In the worst-case scenario, a snap timing belt can leave your engine completely dead. The pistons and valves collide in this situation, causing serious internal damage. This is a tow truck situation, folks. These symptoms are your car's way of saying, hey, there's trouble brewing. Ignoring them can lead to a broken timing belt, which spells big bucks in engine repairs. The good news is that timing belts are replaced preventatively based on your car's mileage. Check your owner's manual for the recommended replacement schedule. It's a relatively affordable fix compared to the catastrophic damage a broken belt can cause. If you notice any of these signs, don't hesitate. Take your car to a qualified mechanic for a proper diagnosis and replacement. Remember, early detection is key to saving your engine and your wallet. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more car care tips and tricks. Until next time, keep your engine purring and your timing belts in check.